In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall email in Microsoft Outlook. Before we jump in, a quick note on how recall works. Message recall can only remove messages that haven't been opened by the recipient yet, and it typically works best within the same organization using Microsoft Exchange or Microsoft 365 accounts. If the email has already been read, moved out of the inbox by a rule, or sent to external recipients, recall may not succeed. With that in mind, let's walk through both Classic Outlook and the new Outlook experience. If you're using Classic Outlook, start by opening Outlook and heading to your Sent Items folder. Find the message you want to recall, and double-click it to open it in its own window. Recall won't appear if the message is only previewed in the Reading pane. In the Open Message window, go to the Message tab. Choose Actions, then recall this message. If you don't see actions, you can also go to File, select Info, choose Resend or Recall, and then select Recall this message. When the recall dialog appears, pick either Delete unread copies of this message, or Delete unread copies and replace with a new message. For transparency and tracking, check Tell me if recall succeeds or fails for each recipient, then select OK. That option gives you a status update per person, so you're not left guessing. If you're using the new Outlook, the flow is similar. In Sent Items, double-click the message to open it in a separate window. On the ribbon, select Recall Message, then confirm with OK. That triggers the recall process behind the scenes without extra configuration. After you start a recall from either version, look out for a message recall report in your inbox. It usually arrives within seconds but can take up to about 30 minutes depending on the recipient's mailbox and server conditions. Open that report to see whether the recall is successful, pending, or failed for each recipient. If the report includes a link to view details, follow it and sign in if prompted to see the latest status. If the recipient's mailbox isn't immediately available, Outlook will retry for up to 24 hours. Keep in mind, though, a successful recall still depends on the message being unread. If the message was opened even once, the recall will fail. When recall isn't possible, consider sending a clear follow-up to correct the information. That's it. Thanks for watching.